What's your name?
Laham Qureshi.
My name is Zain Qureshi.
My name is Athalan Qureshi.
My name is Faiz Qureshi.
My name is Jason Qureshi.
Nice to meet you. This what?
They call it mazar. They worship here.
Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've never been in any of these areas before. Ah.
The kind of mazar. They worship here.
Ah.
Look at this house design.
So like daily prayers? Or just work so different?
Yeah. This is a given. We don't
Go somewhere for that.
only pray Allah Muhammad Allah,
Ah.
and they worship. This is very old school.
Old school?
Yeah,
Where my father is.
this school name is
Your father went to school?
Mangal Prasad School.
The design of this school are mostly like Indian Lucknow.
I've been, do you know that?
Firstly, when Nepalgunj was just that established, and this school was of that time.
There's that big palace in Lucknow, right? Yeah.
The place when you visited Hazratganj,
Hazratganj.
in Lucknow.
Is it in Hazratganj?
Yeah, this Nepalgunj is like created in that.
There's a,
In comparison of that.
isn't there a tunnel that goes to Delhi, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good story.
So I walk every morning and then sometimes in the afternoon.
Nihal and I used to walk at evening always
Ah.
because we love also walking, and our walk is from Tirbanchok to Kalpatra Hotel.
Yeah, evening walks are good.
Many of tourists used to visit Nepal and Nepalgunj.
Oh, which one's mud house? This one?
Yeah, this is all the mud because outer part is only concrete and cement, and inside there the how to say
Oh.
brick were just attached with each other by mud. Look, see, there is a mud.
Okay. I was in an actual all mud house just
Brick
a couple
and
days
mud
ago.
assembly. This one.
Look at this stairs.
Oh, that's kind of steep.
Yeah, new market now grown, shifted to Tirbanchok, but the oldest market was here. Every person of that mountain area, like Nepal mountain areas, they used to come from India and they used to shop something like salt, cloths, and radio things, and they used to purchase in this area. Then they used to took to that mountain area, almost 100-year bigger. The 100-year oldest market. Like you have visited that cosmetic area.
Yeah.
That was the oldest one market. People from that village area of mountain, they used to visit that place and purchase salt, sugar, cloths, and some radios, things like electronic things.
Oh wow.
Have you ever visited that palace near the Phutagra?
Here in Nepalgunj?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Chinese. 1945
1945?
written in Urdu language.
Oh, in Urdu?
And
Look, that door is so beautiful.
Wow.
Koi rahat hai babu?
Yeah, it's really cool.
That carving thing, look. Are jawa ji.
Huh? Nice.
This.
Oh, and he goes upstairs. Started about 80 years ago in the main market?
Yeah, about 80 years ago, this was the main market where used to people visit and purchase things that they require. But it all over and because it's kind of a story that market used to be shifted always.
Oh,
The oldest temple one.
this is the oldest temple? Oh.
They repaired and maintained it, so it looked like this.
Oh, yeah.
Otherwise, the oldest one.
Oh, when the market was created, the temple was created.
Temple was created.
Ah, okay. Yeah, there's quite a few little temples around Nepalgunj, huh?
This is that well created craft.
So where does that go? Huh?
Well.
Oh, a well for this. Ah.
They just modified it by they closed that that cap and they just put that hand pump
Oh, okay.
to make it useful. market were just closed and shut.
So oldest one that's left.
Yeah, yeah.
They're still
I
working.
think this is the oldest 100. It become 100 year that this place is on unworking condition, and all other part of that market closed because how to say evolution. This market just tried the evolution. Many years ago, they used to sell cloths and salt, sugar, and such things. But now they just change their way. They used to sell that slippers, cosmetic products, such things are that they are selling. That's why these are the place for purchasing that cosmetic products.
Yeah, I've been in here a couple times.
Well-known dwellers, you know.
Oh, that's a backside.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, I was like looking at it going, is that really where they going? All right, all right, all right.
Rana ruler here in Nepalgunj. He got one night a dream that Lord Shiva, Mahadev, come in his dream and said that make my temple and I will just give you a blessing. So the next day he woke and he started construction. And only temple in Nepal that Lord Shiva have mustache. I think you have visited many Shiva mandir, Shiva temple, but you never seen mustache with that god. Only this place has that.
Yeah, I've never seen a mustache.
Yeah, only this place has a Shiva mustache. So people used to call Jungeswar Mahadev. Like, you know, in Nepali, mustache used to call Junga.
And a palace, you say? Yeah, I've seen this many times. I've walked by it so many times.
Like that time Prime Minister or we can the director of that, how to say that? They used to live here and they command the area, they rule the area.
Okay.
Like we can say the commander of that time,
okay.
chief head. And these are the doors and the palace. They just little bit, they innovated this place.
Oh, renovated a little bit?
Renovated, like they added this one staircase. But
Oh.
I love the old thing should be old. They should be preserved.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
I don't like this extra.
Don't add extra.
Yeah.
You're saying. Yeah. And so this has got that same kind of archy design.
My dream is just to purchase this kind of palace
And restore it?
Restore the way it
Original. I walked past here, but I've never been down this street before. Hello. Hello. This poor dog.
There are some places that I never visited.
Oh, yeah, I've never been in here. Oh, been in here before. What is that? A school?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's closed? Oh, is this the backside goes out into the alley by Angel School? Oh, okay.
It's been 6 years you've never seen it.
Yeah. I've seen that corner out there before. Yeah.